Tina left on the 30th of December last year, so it's nearly 7 months that she's been away for the entire time. How have I had to adjust my lifestyle? That's a difficult one, I suppose. I'll probably have to be a bit more clean, a bit more organised than what I usually was at home. That's probably the biggest thing I've had needed to adjust, and probably had to take more ownership now of making sure that everything is organised for Mason. It's not easy, but it hasn't been overly difficult yet. Number one will be just having my wife back, having a bit of companionship, being able to sit back after Mason's gone to bed and have someone to talk to rather than staring at the TV. Oh, hey, stop it. More importantly, having a parent, second parent, having Mason have his mum back home. It's pretty hard for him as well because he's only got the one person to sort of bounce off, one person telling him what to do. So he'll certainly love having his mum back home as well. Are you happy? Are you gonna be happy to see Mummy?
I'm not hurting.
Yeah, good work, buddy. Do you want to show Mummy anything?
Yeah.
Oh, what about you jump off the couch? You want to show Mummy that? Yeah? You can do that? Let's go. This is Parenting 101. Big jump. I don't know, she'll probably run to Mason first. So I'll unleash Mason on her first, and then I'll go in for a hug and a kiss too.